Welcome to the SmartLink Network how-to video series. In this video, we're going to show you how to send global programming to your controllers in SmartLink. First, navigate to the controllers page, and as you can see next to each site name and controller name, there's a checkbox. If you want to select them all at once, click on the one next to site. Otherwise, select the individual site and controller. When you're ready, in the top right, click on Global Commands dropdown and select Send Global Programming. This is a limited time free trial, so once you're ready to proceed, click on Get Started. We have the one controller selected, and we're on the basic settings right now. If you don't want to make any change, just leave it to where it shows no change. Otherwise, select the dropdown and choose the option you want to change it to. In this case, I'm going to update it to Remote Off. You can scroll down to alter the watering times and days, the start times, the seasonal adjust. In this case, I'm going to update March and April. And under that, the omit times and days, I'm going to enable and omit day of the week and enable 2 days. And then when you're ready to proceed, click on the next button. Now we're on the smart mode settings. We still have the one controller selected. These smart settings are pretty limited because you should be changing all of your smart settings on each controller individually. The global smart settings are really just the more and less, because changing smart settings will affect your controller's operations pretty drastically, so that should be done on an individual basis. In this case, I'm just going to add a 1% more and less change, and then click Next. On the advanced settings, we have the weather sensor delay, daylight savings time, and winterized. This is good for winterizing all your controllers at once or taking them out of that option. And when you're ready, click Preview Changes. It shows you the site name and controller name for all the ones that you have selected if you have multiple. This is your last chance to remove any unwanted controllers from this list. Click on the Remove button, and you can look at the summary as you scroll down. I changed the run status to Remote Off. I updated some of the seasonal adjust. And you can also edit these if you want to. If you've changed your mind, you can revert those changes too. I changed the omit time. Again, edit, revert if you'd like. And then when you're ready, in the bottom right, click Apply Changes. This is your last chance to continue with this, so when you're ready, click Yes. And now, as you can see, this command is pending. It shows you the site name, controller name, and that pending command. If it fails, it might show a red fail button, and you can click Retry. Otherwise, here in a few moments, it'll show a green Successfully Sent banner in the top. And you can confirm and look at those summary changes again. There's that Successfully Sent banner. If you have any other questions, please call us at 888-484-3776 or email support@weathermatic.com. Thank you.